Hello guys, today we're playing Animal Company with my friend Lorenzo, and we're gonna kill this chicken. We're gonna kill this chicken. Okay?
Have my crowbar, young man.
You're gonna kill it, okay? You're gonna kill it. I'm gonna go all the way up here.
No, you have it. You killed it.
No, I'm good. You're the one that bought it, so.
Yeah, but I give it to you. So like, now it's yours. Now grab the egg.
This scaredy cat. If you guys don't know, I have better skill than my friend because he sucks. Oh nah, bro's a bit angry, but I don't give a fuck. Help me! I think I died. You should have got the egg.
You died automatically.
No, not automatically.
Kinda. I thought you were gonna survive.
No, I'm not that good.
Yeah. I mean, you're pretty good, but still better than me.
Yeah, and you just started, and I am barely better than you.
Well, come on.
My stuff is... Lorenzo?
What? What?
Are you okay? Oh, what the... Where'd you go? Lorenzo? What? What the heck? What the heck? What happened? Guys? My game is lagging. Oh my.
Doing.
I can't hear.
Oh my god, that guy has a...
What the heck happened? Oh. Where'd he go? Let me gone. Hold it. Guys, just texting them right now. Because anyway, he just left me out. Oh my. Okay, well, wait, so this is another way how to... What if I press this button? The button, right? I didn't even press it. Oh well. Let me see if he texted me. It said I disconnected him. What if I... I'm guessing this one. Frick! This one. Yeah! Got it right. We did it. Okay. This is a game that Animal Company should add. This one. Frick! This one. Oh my... Oh! Yeah!
Joshua.
Hello. I'm over here at the selling machine. I'm playing a game.
Hello.
You want to join me in the game?
Yeah, sure.
And say you have to guess which one's the blue button.
Okay, let me play.
You want to
I
go first?
guess
You want to
this
go first?
one's. Yeah. I guess this one is it.
Ha!
Dang it.
Suck. This one. Yes! I got it right.
Wait.
I did touch it on mine not. Okay.
Fine.
You go first. This one. Fit.
This one.
No, it's this one. Nah.
No,
Bro!
yeah.
This game sucks. I'm not admitting myself.
No. Oh.
Okay, I'm go first. This one.
This one.
Frick.
This one.
Bro!
Yeah.
I wonder if my stuff is still
let's-
there.
Did you get the chicken eggs?
No, but I wonder if my stuff is still there. I had 2 flashlights in there and I had my crowbar. Or well, his crowbar basically. Woo! Woo! I know my other videos are long, but you know, this one's gonna be cool and short like other videos. Because my other videos, my last video was an hour long. It was funny. Is my stuff still here? No, it's not. It's gone. Dang it! My stuff's not here anymore. What do I do? Okay, those 2 big cans can give you a lot of money. Not lying.
My crowbar still there? Ninja, it reset it.
Oh, almost fell.
Joshua,
What?
where are you?
Where are you? My pad, dude. Hop off. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Sorry, I am very sorry. I got a big can.
Here. Pick the L.
I got 2 big cans. Big can. Come on, you got this. Yeah.
Yeah, you are gonna die, huh?
Come on. You've got this.
Do you wanna
These
grind?
cans can actually give you a lot of money, actually. I think it's like 100 per one. So if you get 10 of these,
Okay, let's go.
dude, 3,000.
Let's go grind.
I'm gonna go sell these. Wait, let's see who could figure out which one's the blue button
Alright.
with these 2 cans.
Actually, it's a cyan button.
Alright,
Ready?
let's see. Alright, you go first.
I go
you
first.
You go first.
I go.
Bing! No!
Bing!
Dang it!
Bam!
Pow. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. Ah, bit!
Ching. Ching ching.
This one. Bro, where is... I swear.
Ching ching.
Oh my. Yes!
No!
Yay! Oh,
Alright, let's
okay,
go
never
grind.
mind. I know, grind. Let's go. Alright. I'm just gonna get a backpack and a flashlight. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Come on. Oh, over there. Oh, I thought you meant the sewers.
Oh. Yeah. This is where we grind at.
I forgot you said grind. I mean, at sewers you can also get stuff too. At sewers.
Yeah, but it's gonna be harder.
No, there's only a little bit of stuff that you can get. You moved, bro. How is he not done?
Oh god.
Big banana. Golden bar.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, red gem. It's like, it's called Animal Company. It's a scary game and like a fun game at the same time.
Bananas. Actually not. I'm taking this. No. What else should I take? I think it's, I'm taking the banana. Oh, I want to take the banana. Banana. I'm a banana. Oh. We are both platanitos. Oh, sad.
Don't step on the landmine, Joshua.
Landmine.
Oh, it's my friend named Joshua. Oh. Yeah.
No! Dang it. I suck so bad. Chad, I think I died.
I think you died.
Yeah, I'm at the spawn. I think I died. Well, I'm gonna press this landmine and kill myself again.
Well, hey, better luck next time, you know.
I'm gonna press this landmine now. I wonder if it hurts. Press it.
I mean, it don't really matter. We all make mistakes. Remember that one time where I had a bunch of good stuff and then I died?
Oh no, Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go to sewers.
Okay.
I can't breathe. I hit it. Do you want this outside?
Wait up for me.
Roger that. So,
If I make it.
if you make it, you make it. I'll be waiting outside for you.
And if I get money, we get money.
And if it's a game, it's a game.
Game is game.
I'm waiting for you. I'm slowly approaching to your location. I move so good. I'm a master.
Banana.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm at the selling one.
Oh, is it the mouse? How much money are you gonna make? How many stuff how much stuff do you have in there?
I don't know.
Why do you get the Stanleys?
I don't know.
I did it!
Trust.
I
More
did it.
money. Give us money. Ooh.
I put it back.
Okay. How much is a big flashlight?
You're gonna buy that?
Nah, I'm just gonna. Nah, I'm not gonna buy it.
Bro, I'm about to say, man. Okay, let's go to the sewers.
Wait, I'm gonna buy a crowbar.
Oh, this is taking forever. I'm dying. hunt for us monkeys. Wee, 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 wee. Look at all these wires. What do these wires do? Are they just here for some reason? Yeah, you lead me. That's over here. Oh, why is the vine right there? Why is the vine right there? Trick us, huh? Oh, snap. Well, at least I have his crowbar. Oh. Where'd it go? Oh.
Don't take my stuff.
Oh. Embarrassing! Your flashlight's still here though. I don't know where your backpack went. Taking a crowbar. Oh my god! Wow. I knew I was gonna die. I died. Are you at the sewers?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come in. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, what the? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. It's mighty quiet here. Persona disturbing the peace. Look into my eyes. Not tell me what even blood about me behind my back. I think that's how it goes. I don't know for sure. Ribbit.
Are you almost here?
I'm here. Do I grab your flashlight?
Oh, shit.
Are you at the end of red light, green light?
I'm coming.
Did you just die? What are you doing here, you monkeys? Okay, let's go. Come on. What the? Okay. Ooh, made it. Yeah! You got your flashlight?
Have a flashlight? Yeah. On it.
Okay, hold it. Wait. It's right there. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Do you think you could actually kill the eyeballs?
Wyatt has been playing this more than me, so I think, yeah, I can.
Probably.
Wyatt is actually a friend of ours.
Oh.
He told me to get this game.
Oh my god.
Who, me, God?
Almost died, right?
You almost died right now from that big thing.
Oh, that? What if I just shine at it? You wanna run over? Oh wait, no, I hear the bomb. You wanna run?
We could try.
Yeah, I think it would work. Oh, never mind. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Hold up. Just gotta wait until it gets to a good distance.
Alright.
You wanna go? You wanna go now? Never mind. You wanna run? You wanna go for it? You wanna go for it?
Try.
No, my flashlight. No. I got my flashlight. What is it doing?
Okay, you ready?
Wait, no, wait. Okay, hold it. Okay. Why does it have legs like that?
Look at this line.
Go.
Look.
You go?
Whee! Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Yay, I did it!
I'm coming down.
We. Okay.
Okay, I hope I can make it this time.
Yeah, I hope. Oh, snap. I must have died. Oh, snap. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
I am being a true Sigma and doing this.
Yes, sir. Okay, buddy, you got this.
Okay. If you're here, I'm afraid that you let me do this.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Oh my. You're in the dark now.
But
And
do
I'm
you
in
think
light.
I could do it
Dark.
from here?
Light. Dark. Light. Wait, no. Light. Dark. Light. Dark. Light. Dark. Light. Dark. Light. Once upon a time, there was a monster in the woods, and he was like very scary. And then with Jimmy. You got this. Yeah.
Yes!
Woo! Let's just up over here. We.
Oh, okay, so this is where you go. I got confused on this part and then died over here. There's a very big slide.
Yeah, I know. Come on, you can make this. Where you at? Oh. No.
Dang it.
Buddy. Typical Lorenzo. Typical Lorenzo.
I'm gonna do it again. I'm coming back with the crowbar.
Okay. I just gotta wait here. You guys wanna watch some YouTube right now? I mean, I know you guys are watching YouTube right now, but, you know. You wanna watch some YouTube right now?
After this, do you wanna grind?
Yep, sure.
Okay.
Bye. Hello. I just blinded my screens. It's eating my hand. Oh, gulp, gulp, gulp. Which way's north? Well, north is. North is that way.
Okay, I'm at the... I passed the red light, green light. Okay.
Good job.
Man, come with me.
Me?
Yes, you.
So you want me to die and go with you?
Kind of. Please.
And that's what I like to call a skill issue.
I don't have a flash. Okay. Okay, I passed it.
The sewer?
No.
What did you pass?
The bomb. I'm not the parkour. You should see me.
I just said, did you? You said that you passed, and I said the sewers, and you said no. So you basically wait. What? This is a big sewer. I should be seeing a monkey that's yellow coming right over here. Are you almost there yet? think I see you. Can you see me? Hello?
Let's just go grind.
Did you die?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna die. Wow, this sucks. Oh well. Hello.
Yacht.
You
Hello.
suck at doing this.
I just haven't practiced. Okay, let's go.
Hello. Backpack. Wait, do we need a flashlight?
Let's just bring one in case.
Yeah, just in case. You have one. I'm not gonna buy
Just
one.
in
I don't
case.
want money.
Oh shoot!
Running as fast as I can. I can't breathe.
For some reason, you move faster when an object is in your hand.
Probably because it's pushing you. Where'd you go?
I'm at the grind thing where there's 2 golden balls. Where are
Hello.
you?
Oh, there you are. There's 2 golden bars.
Me take golden bars.
Alright. And don't wait. Let me take one.
What?
Let me take one.
Gem!
in case
Gem!
you-
Gem! Oh,
Wait, are we gonna do the can from school?
nah, it's okay.
Alright, let's go. Ooh.
Womp womp. Bro, this ducky is so cute. I just want to.
What did it do to you?
I don't know. They're just so
the
cute.
question.
That's the question.
It's so cute that you wanted it.
What grew? Gem! Bottle. I have a bottle. Okay, I can still fit stuff. Give me the 2 bananas. They're mine. Actually, no, you have a banana.
Okay, if you die or I die, we both die. Nah, I'm just kidding. If I die, you go on without me. And if you die, I
Okay.
go on.
Peace.
So,
Chow, I think you, how would he go?
that wasn't me, bro. It was my.
Also, I found the ducky that I threw.
How?
It just spawns right in front of me.
Little bro wanted me.
Little bro wanted his revenge. I'm gonna teleport back. I'm teleporting!
Stay right where you are. Stay right there.
I'm already at the teleporter.
Stay there.
I already teleported.
I know. Stay where you teleport.
I'm at the selling machine. Hello.
Hello. I didn't die, I swear. It That was my twin brother.
Your twin brother. Dang!
Oh,
Yay.
okay, let's go.
We did it!
Let's do the chicken.
Chicken? Chicken.
I'm just gonna buy a flashlight to launch me.
Perfect! Hold up, wait! Hold up, what? Bruh! Bro, what? Peace. I got it.
Alright. Let's go. To the chicken.
Alright. I have a solution. A grenade. I'm the USA kid. I stay in the USA for freedom. Okay, buddy. Oh my. I sound so bad.
Guys.
I think we're cooked. I'm gonna go back.
Guys, I'm gonna do my flash.
I'm gonna go back and buy another grenade. Peace.
One Piece. The One Pieces. Reap.
No, wait. We're just like the One Piece bro. The One Piece is real. Who the frick are you? Hey, if you're chill, you can stay. If you're chill. Okay? We have another person in our lobby.
Guys.
He ran. Did you
What
just
was
die by
that?
the chicken?
Maybe, maybe not.
Bro, you suck. This one bomb can defend me.
What do you mean we have another person in our server?
He left, I think.
Oh, was it that?
Brick! God dang it! No, the can. My bad. You know, like, I'm gonna buy another grenade.
Looks like we have to do it the old way.
What do you mean the old way?
Distracting it and getting the egg.
Okay, yeah, you distract it. You distract it, please. Is that okay? You distract it. Yeah, my backpack.
I was getting it for you.
There you go.
Alright, guys, if you hear.
Okay, hold on. Wait.
But I gotta practice that.
Okay, you're good. Never mind. Okay, hold up. Okay, you're good now.
Giving you the bird.
No, I messed
hate
up
this.
again. Okay, you're good.
I definitely did not. I'm coming.
I'm gonna sacrifice myself and try to get the egg. No, it's fucking me. Wow. Yeah, I just got cooked. I think I died.
I think you died.
Yeah, I don't know. Also, tomorrow I will be doing a role play.
I think we're both bad.
Yeah, agreed. So I'm gonna be doing a role play. That's okay. Hello.
I got a footballer. Shing.
You wanna go kill him? You wanna go distract him?
Sure. You distract him. Like, bring him over to the log.
What?
Oh, shoot. Like what we did, like.
Yeah,
Where he
distract
goes
him and
on-
go to the log. Like, go on top of the.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to do that.
You distract him and then bring him.
You know what? What if it's so bad? Oh my god! Oh my god!
I think you died.
I'm coming back.
Yeah, I think you died.
No, it's just your imagination.
Imagination. SpongeBob box imagination.
Bruh.
All you have to do is use your imagination.
Okay, buddy, you're not that good. I'm going to backpack real quick. How did you turn your head 360, bro? You suck. What do I do? Why you look at me like that? Ah! No, die, no! You should have got the egg, you monkey.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, how many times do I have to tell you this, bro? Get the egg! The only reason I'm sacrificing myself is for you to get the egg. Lorenzo?
I kind of died to the chicken.
Whoa, buddy. Ooh. Okay, so I go over there and you grab the egg as fast as you can, okay?
Okay. And then run.
Yeah, and then run. No, 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 grab the egg, grab the egg, grab the egg, grab the egg! I think the egg fell out of the map.
To
What?
I'm right behind.
What'd you say?
I'm coming.
I'm coming, go.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video right now.
Okay.
Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Animal Company, download it. It's really fun. Join the code 1324.
Yeah, you definitely
every
do not
day.
die.
Yeah, definitely do not die. Alright.
Yeah.
Bye bye, guys.